Hi, this is Sampika, Assistant Professor, Department of AI/ML. Topic is Data Ingestion and Transformation. Data ingestion is nothing but the process of collecting the data from various sources and transforming them into structured format and later on loading them into the data warehouse for storing and analysis. It provides the high quality data for AI models to learn, to adapt and generate accurate predictions. Importance in AI/ML workflows. It enables the model training. So the model can be trained using large volumes of data for learning the patterns. It supports the real-time applications. It improves the data quality and accuracy. It facilitates the data integration and a holistic view. It also ensures the scalability and efficiency, such that it is designed to handle the high volumes of data. It reduces the error and inconsistencies. So automation in the ingestion process can minimize the manual errors. It provides the foundation for robust AI. Types of data ingestion: batch ingestion, real-time ingestion, and lambda architecture. Batch ingestion. Here the data is collected and transformed in large discrete blocks like daily wise, weekly, or even once a month. Real-time ingestion. The data will be continuously captured, processed, and moved to the destination. Lambda architecture. It combines both the batch ingestion and real-time ingestion. Data ingestion tools. AWS. Amazon Web Service, it uses the services like Amazon Kinesis for real-time, AWS Glue for ETL, extract, transform, and load process. Google Cloud is used for stream and batch processing. Google Cloud publish or subscribe for real-time messaging. Data they can be stored in Google Cloud Storage for further analysis. Azure Data Factory along with Azure Event Hubs can be used for streaming the data, and the data can be loaded into the data lake storage. Steps in data ingestion. It includes identify the data sources and data type. So first we have to identify where the data sources are, from where it comes, and also the data type. Then you have to select the appropriate AWS service based on the data source and type. Batch ingestion. For file-based data, we will be using the S3 for data storage. AWS Glue is used for ETL jobs like extract, transform, and load. AWS Database Migration Service for migrating or replicating the data from the relational databases. Streaming ingestion. It includes Amazon Kinesis for real-time data collection. Amazon Managed Streaming for Apache Kafka. And also AWS IoT Core for ingesting the data from IoT devices. IoT is nothing but the Internet of Things. Data landing zone. So it is optional, but it is recommended. For file-based ingestion, a landing zone will be created in Amazon S3 for temporarily storing the raw data. Next, it includes the data transformation and also the preparation. It needs the sources like AWS Glue, AWS Lambda. Next one is data storage. We can process the data and we can store the data in the chosen destination. We can also catalog the data and its discovery. So automated coordination and management of multiple services can be done by using monitoring and orchestration. We can also achieve the security and governance on the data. Data transformation. It is a process of converting the raw data from one format into the another so that it will be suitable for analysis, reporting, or storage. It includes a task like cleaning, structuring, standardizing the raw data into the useful format. The key task it includes data cleansing. It removes errors and also the missing values. Data mapping and conversion. It transforms the data into the new structure and business rules. Other tasks include data aggregation, integration, filtering, splitting, and enrichment. Some of the common techniques includes data cleaning. It handles the missing values. Normalization or standardization, it scales the features. Encoding, it converts the categorical data into the numbers. Aggregation, it summarizes the data. Discretization, it is used for grouping the values. Feature engineering, for creating the new features. So these processes will be often executed using ETL, extract, transform, load, or ELT, extract, load, transform process. Data cleaning and pre-processing. So the data cleaning can be done by using handling the missing values. It uses the methods like mean, median, or some other techniques. Outlier detection and removal. So it identifies a deviation from the normal pattern and it will address them and it will be removed. Error correction. So it will fix some structural errors or inconsistencies and then errors will be corrected. Data transformation. It includes a normalization and scaling. It adjusts the scale features, ranges from 0 to 1 or from -1 to 1. It also includes the categorical variables. Feature engineering. It creates the new features for existing data for improving the model performance. Data reduction. The dimensionality of the data can be taken place. Sampling. Selecting a representative subset of the data will be useful for the efficient processing. Next one is data splitting. So we have to divide the pre-processed data for training and also have to test the data on sample set of data. Thank you.